In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Shopify store or certain parts of it. Although Shopify offers a native way to export some data, it doesn't provide a complete one-click solution for backing up and restoring all your store data. So, you'll need a combination of manual exports and specialized apps to ensure everything is securely backed up. To begin with, Shopify allows you to manually back up some of your store's essential data by exporting it into CSV files and downloading your theme files. These methods are quite useful for creating basic backups. Let's start with backing up your products via a CSV export. In your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the Products section and click on Export. You'll have the option to export all products, just the current page, or other specific selections. Once you make your choice, Shopify will generate a CSV file containing your product data. Similarly, you can back up other data like customers and, where possible, orders and discounts. Head over to the respective sections such as Customers or Orders and click Export to download these CSV files. However, it's important to note that Shopify has some limitations on the types of order data you can export and import directly through the admin interface. Moving on to your store's theme, go to the online store and then Themes. In your current theme, select Actions and then Download Theme File. Alternatively, you can choose to duplicate your theme before downloading. This process will provide you with a .zip file containing your theme's HTML, CSS, and Liquid code. When it comes to images, files, blog content, and pages, these elements can't always be exported neatly with a CSV file. Instead, you might need to manually save these by downloading or copying them. Once you've gathered all these files, it's crucial to store your CSVs, theme files, images, and other data securely. You can use an external drive or consider utilizing cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox for a safe backup solution. Now, let's move on to the restoring or importing phase. Since Shopify import-export features have certain restrictions, restoring your store's data involves a few manual steps. To import products, customers, or other data, go to the relevant sections and use Shopify's import feature to upload your previously saved CSV files. Be cautious during this process, as it can potentially update existing products or overwrite other data unintentionally. For restoring your theme, go to the theme library and upload your theme.zip file. Don't forget to publish it once it's been uploaded. However, it's important to remember that some settings, pages, menus, and app settings are not captured by the CSV or theme file. You'll need to manually re-enter and configure these. Additionally, remember to reinstall any apps and adjust their configurations as necessary. Finally, when it comes to non-exportable data, such as detailed order tallies, financial reports, or historical analytics, these can't be fully restored via admin export-import. They reside within Shopify's internal system. For orders, re-importing them through Shopify's regular admin isn't possible, and if restoring these is critical, you might require a third-party app or API. And there you have it, your guide to effectively backing up and restoring your Shopify store.